Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing the Master Pro Dual Air Fryer. Let's cut open the seal. You can see we get the instruction manual and two trays. Here is the air fryer itself. So you can see this one has two buckets. That's the first bucket. It has plenty of space. I think it has some 6 liters capacity. And the tray goes inside like this. So this helps with the air circulation so that things can get fried easily. So here I'm making some chicken nuggets and french fries. You can control each bucket individually. You can set the time and the temperature. Let's see if it is ready. So I'm just taking it out and mixing it so that it cooks evenly. As you can see, the chicken is fried properly and there is steam coming out of it. I think I fried it for too long, so it became a little too crispy. So I bought this in February and now it's November. I used it for like 5-6 times and then I kept it inside the box because I was moving. Then around August when I took it out, I saw that the buckets were rusting, as you can see here. I'll add some photos so that you can see it better. Even the plates were rusting and losing the coating, as you can see here. It's not just one. This one is even worse, you can see. So I contacted them on Amazon and they gave me their email ID. So I sent all these photos to them along with the order number and the invoice. So I told them I used it few times and then I kept it in box. When I took it out, it was rusting and losing its coating like this. And they told me that they'll send me replacements. I have got the replacements now. So you can see this is the replacement bucket and the tray they have given me. They have replaced 2 buckets and 2 trays. Yeah, so this does not have any rust. It looks like brand new. Only problem I have seen in this is that the plates are a bit too tight. What I'm scared about is if it scratches up this coating, then again the coating might come off. So that's something that I'm worried about. And here is the second one. So I'm hoping that it stays like this at least this time, because the warranty is expiring in like 2-3 months. And if it starts rusting again, then I don't think they'll replace it again. It took around 1 month to get the replacements after I raised the complaint. It was really nice of them to send me replacements, but I think it shouldn't have happened in the first place. Unboxing video was recorded in February, but I did not upload it. But then now that I have an update and I can give you some more insights, I thought I'll upload this video with this update. Overall, this air fryer is really good. And since you have 2 buckets, you can make a lot of things really fast. Otherwise, you have to set one item, you have to wait for like 20 minutes and then you can make the second item. In this case, you can make like 2 items at once, which is really good. And the performance of the air fryer is also really good. We made fried chicken, pakoras and a lot of other things too. I'll add photos here so that you can have a look. I think this is selling for some 16,000 now. I got it for a lesser price when it was launched. Overall, I'm satisfied with the product, but then if the coating comes off again, then that'll be a problem. Yeah, this was just a short update. This was supposed to be an unboxing video, but then I thought I'll give you this update and I'll also show you some items which I prepared in this. So that's it for this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you found this to be useful. See you guys soon in another video.